In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Revolut app. This is quick and seamless, as the platform is designed to make cryptocurrency trading as simple as sending money. Revolut supports Bitcoin alongside many other digital assets, and you can purchase them directly from the app using your linked bank account, card, or Revolut balance. To get started, open the Revolut app on your smartphone and log in. From the main dashboard, tap on the crypto section, which gives you access to the full list of available cryptocurrencies. Search for Bitcoin, BTC, and tap on it. You'll see its current price, market chart, and a buy button. Tap buy, then enter the amount of money you'd like to spend. Revolut allows you to buy either by setting the exact fiat amount, like £50 or €100, or by specifying the amount of Bitcoin you want. Once you've entered your amount, select your funding source. This could be your Revolut balance, a linked debit card, or your bank account. Confirm the transaction, and the app will process the order instantly. Within seconds, the Bitcoin you purchased will appear in your Revolut crypto wallet, and you can track its value in real time directly inside the app. Revolut also offers the option to set price alerts, recurring buys, or stop loss orders, making it useful whether you're just starting out or actively trading. If you want to move your Bitcoin outside Revolut, you can withdraw it to an external crypto wallet by generating a wallet address and pasting it into the withdrawal section. Keep in mind, though, that Revolut may charge a small fee for crypto transactions, so it's good to double check before buying or sending. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.